Hello guys, the UPSC 2022 calendar is out. So the prelims date, mains date, everything which you have been waiting for, that has been released. So those who are preparing for 21, you focus on your preparation. You don't have to worry about what is happening here. And after your October exam is over, then you can think of this. Okay. So we'll directly go to the UPSC website and check this thing. So in UPSC homepage, you will see all the updates here. So here two things are going on. One is this yellow color update and one is this white color. So here if you see, one is the interview update, that also I'll tell you. 2020 interviews are going on. So on 20th August, okay, interview of some students were there. And now because the public holiday shifted from 19 to 20, they are telling that there will be no change because of that. Okay, because the 20 is going to be a public holiday, that doesn't mean your interview is getting cancelled. It will be conducted as per schedule. Okay, so this is one update. Now for today's 2022 update, you have to go to this examinations button here. Okay, examinations place. Here you will get calendar. Here is the place where you get all the things, the cutoff marks, the answer keys. Okay, like 2020 prelims, if you have given, and you will be worried like what was the cutoff, what is your marks and all, that will all come here only. Okay, it will come in the coming days after the interview is over. So now we'll check the calendar. So here if you see annual calendar 2022, okay, this is the revised one which shifted the exam from June 27 to October 10 for 21. Now 22, we'll click on this. So this PDF will open. So if you see here, all the exams of 2022 is written here: engineering service, the geoscientist service. Okay, and in between there will be buffer days also. So here if you see, we are concerned about the preliminary exam. So if you see here, Indian, this one is the same. Okay, civil services preliminary examination 2022, that is the same day or the same exam for forest service. Okay, it's the same prelims. Okay, after that mains will differ. So if you see here, this date and all for filling the form and all, that will yet to come. In February month you will get the form, but the exam will be on 5/6/2022, that is June 5. Okay, that means today is like August 13th. So you have less than maybe like 11 months, 10 months time you have to study for prelims. And below if you see, again engineering service and all these things are there. And here if you see, the mains date also will be there. Okay, below civil services mains examination 2022, which is in September 16. Okay, and below if you see, the forest services mains examination is there, which is 2011. Okay, so that is more gap for forest service exam, and that is a completely different syllabus and different subjects. So you can check it if you are interested. And here if you see, again a lot of extra days will be given. Okay, reserved day and all. Here if you see reserved day, these are kept because if in case again anything has to be postponed, these are the dates to which they will push. Okay, in case the June prelims cannot happen, they'll push it to this October. So like this reserved date they always keep for every calendar year. Okay, and here civil services mains examination 2021 date also has come. Okay, last time calendar we have shown, so that time also this was there. It is like 7, 8, 9, 15, 16 January 2022. The mains exam, meaning October 10 you will give your prelims. After that your mains you will give in January. And here which date is what exam, that will come later. Meaning which date is GS1, GS2, ethics, SA optional, that will come later. Okay, and forest service also 2021, the date is in February. So like this entire thing of calendar has come. Now the remaining part of the video is only for those serious aspirants who want to know how to prepare using our platform. Okay, so others can wind up need not watch the remaining thing, but the serious aspirants, you can stay back and see the remaining. Okay, so now you have got the calendar, you know the correct date, you have 8, 9, 10 months to prepare. So what you have to do, first thing is, if you are a beginner, whichever year, 2022, 23, 24 and all, we will give you free 20 foundational videos. Okay, it's completely free, it's there on our YouTube, but the links, if you need, you just come and WhatsApp us. So I'll give you the free foundational videos which will make you understand that UPSC can be prepared by sitting at home itself. You don't need any topper, you don't need any mentor, you don't need any coaching institutes materials, you don't need anything. Okay, you can study everything online, everything is there. Okay, so we guarantee you that 100, 110 plus marks you will easily bring if you follow that in order. Okay, because it's set in order, like how to begin and what books to buy, how to apply for this exam, how to set up your study room, what is the importance of economic survey, and reading newspaper, how significant it is, and current affairs, how you have to prepare, how should you make notes out of it, what is the optional, how to choose that optional, then answer writing, all these things. Okay, including the syllabus and the previous 6 to 7 years of question papers trend. Okay, mains, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, essay optional, everything, the question paper trend also we are discussing. Okay, with questions. Okay, I'll show you subject wise category, topic wise category, and should you join coaching or not. All these things included in 20 free foundational videos. So first WhatsApp me and get that video. That is the first step. Okay, then after that, what you have to do is you have to see like whether you want to join our test series platform and join that. Okay, so test series 2020 is already done. There's an old poster of that launching soon, but it's already launched on June mid onwards. Students have started studying. So that how it is working is, it's a soft copy PDF material of the test which will be given to you as per schedule. Okay, like first itself when you joined, like here June 14 it started. Okay, so when you joined first itself, we gave you the older 12 months of current affair, that is before June month. which is gone now, that before June month 2021, all the 11 months of current affair we'll give you. Okay, in total you have 100 test, 100 prelims test and 25 mains test. So we'll give you this one. Then after that, NCERT you will study. We'll give you study timetable and only then give you the test. So that is our model. If you don't know all these things, there is separate set of 2 videos which explains the entire timetable, entire brochure PDF is there. So that also in the same WhatsApp I'll give you. Okay, but please don't jump into this. Watch the foundational videos first, which I give you. Then you will enroll to this test series if interested. And like this are 365-day timetable. This is a 365-day editable timetable. Okay, meaning in case you are joining late, you can go and edit this. You can go like instead of 29th, I'm starting here on 1st or whatever. So like that you can edit this timetable and use it. But whatever test is already completed, that will be given to you on the day 1. Like example, now today's date is August 13th. If you see here, Friday. Okay, so till now, if you see PT 21, till 21 test is already given to our students. Okay, now our students at home will be sitting and reading these chapters. They'll be reading Lakshmikant, they'll be reading this thing. Like today they were supposed to read Lakshmikant chapter 12 and 13 and 14, 15, 16. And half an hour of optional and half an hour of previous year question. Like this, they'll be sitting and doing and studying at home. Okay, self-study it is completely. But after this, when the next date comes, August 16th, we'll give you a test. So that test paper, you will be able to learn again because, and very confidently, because already you have read the reading of the textbook. So this will be a second reading, okay, from our MCQ model PDF. So like that, when you read it in a scheduled way, what will happen is by the end of the year, you will be confident in all the things and at least 2 to 3 times of revision will get over for all the subjects. And here if you see October 3rd onwards, the mains test is beginning. So this is the first batch which is running on. Now, second batch, if you ask whether I want to join like freshly start studying, as of now, there is no second batch. You can join this batch itself and it's open. And it will be like, as I told, all the completed tests till day, meaning today, tomorrow, 14th, if you join, all the 21 tests will be given to you on day 1 itself. So you can then adjust or find some free time to catch up those. Meanwhile, you can continue from here, start from here, what is going on. Or as I told, edit this Excel sheet and put like this is day 1 for you. Okay, day 1, and then do what is given here on day 1. Here on June 14, the day 1, what we started. Imagine this is your day 1, August, instead of June, edit it and make it August. Okay, and then start from here. At the last, there will be a lot of buffer space, so you will be able to catch up anyway. So don't worry about that. So like this, you will do prelims also and mains also. 25 tests are there, out of which 21 will be evaluated and given feedback. So your answer writing also will improve. And by December time, that will get over. This whatever is green is all mains test. Okay, so MFTS 10, 11, 12, like that will go on. And then around January, February time, that will get over if you see MFTS 20. And then after that, here if you see environment related things are there. Okay, so these things you have to again do prelims test and see again revision time is there. So second or third time doing the same textbook will make you complete the entire syllabus. Okay, so this is the model, this is the way you have to study, and this entire thing, as I told in different videos, I've explained. So I'll wind up this here, this Excel sheet explanation. And if you need to know the fee structure, how it is, okay, this is the prelims test PDF 100 test, which is like this one with offer and installments. Okay, whatever you see here is installment price. Okay, if you do a single payment, this one, or if you do multiple payments, this one. And if you see here, this is prelims test PDF, again the same thing, but 50 tests will have video explanation, meaning instead of you feeling lazy to read the PDF, we will read it out for you, explaining the each question one by one. Okay, so 50 tests out of 100 will have video explanation in this package. Now third one is the mains alone package, meaning you don't need prelims, you need only the mains PDF and evaluation. So that is the mains test series. Then pack 4 is nothing but the pack 1 plus the pack 3, meaning you have prelims PDF and you have mains PDF with evaluation. Then pack 5 is pack 2 plus pack 3. That means you have prelims test also, its video explanation also, and also the mains test. So 2 plus this is again, to understand this fully, you have to watch the other videos. I just showed you the summary here. Okay, so I hope it's clear, and you can go and watch all our result. Every year we are getting 100 plus marks in prelims consistently since 2018. So you can go and watch those videos also. Again, I'll give you video links when you come on WhatsApp. Okay, so come and contact us. The sooner you join, the sooner you can go and achieve your dream, okay, of clearing UPSC and then doing the further stages. So WhatsApp us. This is the WhatsApp number which is given here.